Smartly credit card review, worth it or trash? In this video, I'm going to show you whether the Smartly credit card is worth it or just trash. The Smartly credit card from US Bank targets people looking for flexibility, basic rewards, and smart budgeting tools. It offers customizable alerts, zero fraud liability, and basic cashback rewards. You can also pair it with the US Bank's Smart Rewards for bonus perks, especially if you bank with them. Its appeal lies in its simplicity. There are no overly complex categories or rotating bonuses to track. Instead, it provides straightforward cashback on eligible purchases, solid security features, and integration with digital wallets. It's especially useful for people already in the US bank ecosystem, since you can manage everything from one platform. However, the downside is that its reward structure and benefits are underwhelming compared to top tier cards. If you're looking for premium perks like travel insurance, airport lounge access, or elevated cashback on categories like dining or groceries, this card falls short. The intro offers and APR aren't market leaders either. It's not trash, but it's not elite. It works well for budget conscious users or those loyal to US Bank. If that is you, it's functional and reliable. Otherwise, there are more rewarding cards on the market, and that's how you decide if the Smartly credit card is worth it or trash.